Hello, guys. I wanted to share some information, and I wanted to also talk about a little with the upcoming King of the Table. I want to start with the upcoming King of the Table event. A lot of people think that it's a mismatch between Devon and Leo. Leonidas, as far as I know, his left arm is generally better than his right arm, and with his right arm, he pushed the limits of John. John couldn't win that match if he was not that experienced. Physically, Leo looked a bit stronger, but I think that John's right arm is better than Devon's left arm. This is my opinion. And when we saw the match between Leo and John right arm, and when we know that Leo's left arm is at least as strong as his right arm, so I don't think that it is going to be an easy match for Devon. And then the other match is Alex Kurdecha versus Artem Morozov. You guys remember how their left arm match was. And yes, Alex lost against Jerry, but Jerry has very unique style. His style was the worst from Alex's side, and Morozov is more of an orthodox puller, and so I don't think that it will be an easy match. I know that Alex thinking that he's still in maybe on top 3 with right arm, and I think, as far as I know, he believes that except Levan and Jerry, he thinks that because of stylistically, he has a good chance of winning. And from other side, Morozov, yes, Morozov lost his last match, but I saw recently how big he was on the photo that he shared, and he looks huge, and I think he's in incredible shape. Neither of these athletes can afford to lose another match. We will see an incredible match. With right arm, we will also have Georgi Svetko versus Serhiy Kalnichenko match. I was in Moldova for the Waffles. I was there for to be technical director of the Turkish team, and I saw Georgi, and Georgi was bigger than ever. I saw him. When I say bigger, I talk about the muscle mass, his arms, his trapezius, and I don't know, everything. He was just huge. And whenever I saw him, I said, yeah, Georgi is the favorite one, until I saw Serhiy Kalnichenko's video that he posted on Instagram, I think yesterday. And then whenever I saw him, I was like, wow, just like in this match is an incredible match, and both athletes have, equal chance to win. Other than this one, we have Nugo Shikadze from Georgia versus Rabidjan Jr. I don't know. Normally John was gonna pull Nugo, but John didn't recover after such a war. He was pulling in very bad positions, and so Rabidjan was offered, and he accepted the match. So we will see how it will go. And Rab is the bigger guy, bigger frame and everything, hands bigger, Nugo is very powerful, and then we will understand, once they meet. But on the paper, maybe Nugo has the edge, but small edge, just my opinion. Anyway, so other than that, we have Kamil Jablonski, Corey West. It's gonna be a left arm match. On the paper, Kamil looks favorite, but we know that Corey is also very strong. When I saw Corey pulling Travis, I saw that Corey is becoming more and more athletic. Still not there yet, but compared to before, his shoulders and everything, and so I don't know. It totally depends on the speed of the athletes. And we have Audun versus Korean Hulk. I believe that raw power Korean Hulk is stronger one, but Audun is someone that has power 100% translated to table, and so I'm guessing he has better endurance. For sure, he has much better muscle coordination and everything, much more technical, and no disrespect to Korean Hulk, but better table IQ and everything. But just sometimes when your opponent is too strong, all these may not matter. But once it matters, then it makes a huge difference. So we will see. And then we will have Kacper from Poland versus Nedalin. Kacper is the bigger guy, and Nedalin is world level puller. And I also expect a good match, but not sure how it will go. Other than this, I want to talk about East versus West 12. And sorry, what 12? 15 on November 2nd. I think there will be 7 world title matches, and there will be 2 women matches, one of them for the world title. And this event, in my honest opinion, to me is the most exciting on the paper. Like incredible event. That's all I can say. Incredible event. And you guys will enjoy, yeah. And the last thing is that as far as I know, the king of the table 13 will be in US, and North American fans, they know how it is. They went to Orlando and they saw it, and the event that King of the Table will organize will have the main event match, Jerry Kadoret versus Levan Saginashvili. So the biggest title, the most important, I shouldn't say that, but unfortunately that's the reality. To me, every world title is the same, but you know that when it is that right arm super heavyweight title is on the table, it is considered as the most important one by the fans. Anyway, so, and there will be, guys, just imagine John Brzenk versus some European, and Devon versus some European, Tata Chings versus some European, Michael Todd, Matt Mask, just say Hunter, Pauline, and some others. That event will be incredible. Whatever happened in Orlando will probably double. I'm expecting 2,000 people in person to go there, and the atmosphere probably will be the biggest in the history. We will see. Anyways, guys, just thank you for your support, and I'm hardly holding to officially announce, hardly holding myself to not to officially announce the November card, but once it's finalized, once it is right time, I will share. I'm sure you guys will say, wow, Anyways, tomorrow Levan Sakinac will be he will be my guest on my channel here, and it will be 4 p.m. East and 11 p.m. Istanbul time and midnight Tbilisi time. So you all take care, and as Coach Ray say, stay strong and love our Muslim.